Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install VeraCrypt. Well, it encrypts entire drivers or creates encrypted containers for your files. So how you can simply download it, it's very simple. You have any of your favorite browser and then you have to come over into the search option and here you have to search for VeraCrypt. Here it is. After that, you're going to get a website from VeraCrypt.io. Click on that, download, and then you're going to find out the option for the Windows. For the exe installer, you're going to get this link. Click on that. After you can see the download option begin and the download has been started and it's completed. Now, if you click on the folder icon, you're going to get the setup wizard. Click on that. Click yes for the permission. And now you can simply minimize all of your background apps. Click OK for the installing package language and then check I accept the license terms and then click next and click on install and simply disable memory protection for accessibility. Well, these two options don't need it. Keep it unchecked and click install. And now you can simply see the VeraCrypt has been successfully installed. Now you can simply click on OK and click on finish and you can simply give setup. So here it is said that if you have never used VeraCrypt before, we recommended that you read the chapter begins tutorial in the VeraCrypt user guide. So do you want to view the tutorial? I suggest you to click on yes because you need a brief introduction or maybe a little bit of tutorial that can help you to use it properly. But if you're interested into understand it a great explanation, then I will suggest you if you just simply comment below. I'm going to create another video about it and going to help you a lot. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.